This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the stainless steel. Remove grease so tools work. Use a hairdryer set to 150-200 degrees F and focus on one edge for 20-40 seconds to soften the adhesive. This loosens the bond. Once heated, slide a plastic scraper under an edge while you hold the surrounding metal flat to avoid bending. If the sticker resists, use dental floss like a sawing motion behind the label. Make sure to work gradually. Rushing can scratch the finish. You peel the warmed sticker slowly at a shallow angle. Steady pressure prevents tearing and reduces glue left behind. Once the sticker is off, apply an adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl alcohol to stubborn spots. Let it sit 30-60 seconds, then rub with a microfiber cloth in a gentle circular motion. For tight areas, reheat briefly and repeat. Make sure to test any solvent on an inconspicuous spot first, because stainless finishes vary, and you want to avoid discoloration. You finish by washing the area with mild soapy water, rinse, and dry with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots. Then apply a stainless polish and buff following the metal's grain to restore the original luster. If adhesive persists, repeat the heat and solvent cycle. Reheating loosens glue and makes solvents more effective. Avoid abrasive pads or steel wool because they scratch. If a stain still shows, try a commercial stainless cleaner or consult a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.